Hello. Hey guys, welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. How's it going? This sun is so bright. Well, listen, I just wanted to share today's notary tip with you, okay? I just finished a divorce signing and the couple was so sweet. It just broke my heart. I wanted to just give you a few tips on handling divorce signings, and I kind of broke some of my own rules today. Because they were just such a sweet couple, and that happens sometimes when you have divorce signings. The couples are at odds, and you can clearly tell they don't like each other. And either way, you want to be neutral. But in that case, it's a little easier to just kind of not have anything to say. You kind of say, okay, I can see why she's leaving him, or I can see why he wanted to be done with her. You know, maybe. I'm saying this very loosely because I'm not an advocate of just divorce, okay? But I'm just saying you can see the attitude. Like one time we had a person, and he was very demanding with her and very bossy, even signing the paperwork. And he was kind of not throwing the ID, but it was kind of almost like a here, you know, and I wasn't feeling him at all. So I kind of said to myself, I can kind of see why she's okay with this signing, because she looked like, good, I'm happy this is about to be done. But then I have a case like today, and when you're out here as a notary, you are here on the best day of their life, the worst day of their life, and everything in between. And again, this couple was so sweet. So it was hard for me to remain neutral. At the end, I actually gave them a little advice, okay? And doesn't mean it's going to change anything, but they both seem rather even hopeful. So who knows what's going on or why. But so that's what I was going to say. Remain neutral, though, when you're at a divorce signing. Do not take sides. Definitely do not voice how you feel either way. And try to show a little extra compassion. I talked about this in another video recently. But try to show a little extra compassion towards them both, because you don't know the situation. Sometimes you may think it's the man and it's the woman. You think it's the woman and it's the man, you know. So none of that is our business, though. So this particular package is to tell you a little bit about the actual divorce document. Sometimes they can be one page. Sometimes they can be two. Today was a whole packet. And I had about 10 to 12 notarizations. And each page required, well, no, let me take that back. Some pages required one. Some pages required two. So I'm going to leave you a pro tip here, because this is one of my first mistakes when I did my first notary job. If you have a document and you have a space, like on one half of the paper it says John Smith, and the other half of the paper it says Janetta Smith, then you need to stamp next to each name, each signature, okay? Even if it's horizontal, vertical, however the paper is. That was one of my first mistakes. It wasn't a divorce signing, but I neglected to sign and stamp next to the second name for some reason. I don't know why. So always take your time. If you need additional help with notary training, it would be our pleasure to assist you notary educators. And also feel free to check out my specialty general notary course. I cover divorce documents in there a little bit. I cover just a little bit of everything, because you're going to see a little bit of everything out here in these notary streets, as we call it. So if you've not signed up for the mentorship program too, make sure you sign up for mentorship over at Notary Educators LLC.com. That is monthly, and we are so excited to roll out the mentorship program. It is happening. It's going down. People are building and growing their businesses, so please check that out also. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. But again, with divorce signings, remain neutral, show a little extra compassion, be kind, do not take sides like I did, and don't give advice. I'm going to tell y'all to do something I did today. I gave them a little bit of advice. But again, each situation is so different, and they were such a sweet couple. Just a beautiful family. Okay, so anyway, it kind of tugs at your heart there. But again, remain neutral, because that's not your business, okay? So anyway, until next time, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye, guys.